Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cook with an Italian. Today again pasta, tuna pasta, linguine al tonno. It's very easy. 15 minutes, everything is ready. But I like marinate a little bit tomato. Okay, we need some garlic, parsley, tomato. I use capers, pepper, salt, oregano and tuna. I put some lemon juice and of course linguine. I chop the tomato in this way in three. Okay, like this. Or if you like in two, up to you. It's not obligatory. You can change the form, just like that. I put in the bowl. Okay? When I cut all the tomato, I show you the next step when I mix everything to marinate, okay? Okay guys, tomato is ready. It's time to open the tuna. I do that, I open this and leave in the, just to drain the water, okay? We leave it like that. And now it's time to marinate this. I put garlic, just one. I like garlic, if you don't like, don't put. Salt, black pepper, I like with oregano, for a nice amount. It's very nice this. Capers, if you like, it's not, this is the way I make tuna pasta. My family love it. Parsley, just a little bit. Half lemon inside. And some nice extra virgin olive oil from my cousin in Puglia, quite nice amount. Okay, mix everything. And now I use this tuna, you can use any tuna you like. I put one inside and mix everything. And then this is ready. Now it's time to put water and we start cook the sauce. Okay, when the water is boiling, I show you, okay? See you soon. Okay guys, the water is boiling, salt is already in, and I just want to say, if always if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, check our website cookwithanitalian.com, and thank you for watching us. Anyway, boiling, before we put the pasta, I need to put a very generous olive oil, like this. Now guys, this is on, it's time to put the pasta. I cook for me, Zuzi and Enrico. Okie dokie. Pasta first, and these three garlic in. The pasta you have to cook like 70% and later we're gonna finish everything in the sauce, okay? For cook this tomato, we need 3-4 minutes, not more. Parsley, some more capers, a little bit oregano again, some tuna. I use just 2 for 3 of us. Okay, now we can put everything inside. Already the smell, oh. Later, if you like the garlic, you can take out, but later, in the end. And guys, when the pasta is 70% cooked, we're gonna move everything in the sauce. I'll show you later, in a couple minutes, okay? Okay guys, the pasta is 70% done, sauce as well. Move again on the fire and save some water from the pasta. Okay, off pasta. I put just... Now guys, it's time to put some linguine inside. And mix everything. If you don't do that, just mix with 2 spoons, and it's gonna be here another 3-4 minutes, but that's why I say save some water. We will put some water from the pasta inside because the pasta needs to cook a little bit more. Do this until when the pasta is ready for your taste, okay? See you soon when it's finished. Okay guys, 3 minutes is gone. For me, it's ready. Very al dente. It's something smell, wow, absolutely delicious. Guys, the pasta, tuna pasta with linguine is this. You know, it's juicy, stuff like that. I can say, I cannot wait to try it. And it's a little bit hot, but wow, it's absolutely delicious. Un capolavoro. Guys, the tuna pasta is this. If you like, finger up, follow us. Ciao!
Finger up and follow us.